Hi everybody, it's Robert Salt of the Owl Man, and we're just at another site now. We last came here on the 25th of June and the owl was on 8, so we'll just come back today just to have a second check, and hopefully there'll be some healthy young owlets in the box and I'll be able to ring them. So let's just go up and have a look. A bit dodgy this, I can't quite get my ladder right. The entrance. Oh wow. Oh, I've got two right beauties here. Got the same age as the last owlets that I ringed. So I'll get the owlets out. Put rings on them. Just going to give this box a little clean as well. So at this box, we've got two lively owlets, 5 week plus. Looking really good condition. Nice and tight they're in there. Nicely fed there. See its belly there, just another male. Must be about 80 to 90% male birds this year. I know with a few of the owlets, depending on the age what they're at, you know, there could be a bit of misdiagnosis, like, you know, and we could be saying that some owlets are actually males, but there could be females, because when they're young, it's not, the markings aren't as distinctive. But from what I can see, there generally are male birds, the majority of them. So there's going to be a lot of males out there. That was 40 millimeters. That one. So that's 410 grams. Nice healthy weight is that. This one looks a bit younger, does this one? It's lovely. Hey mate. Yeah, it certainly felt like a long season this year. It's just been really busy. Got about another 10 returns to go back to, and that'll be it for this year. So I think we can quite easily get up to the 300 mark this year, making it the second best year that I've had. That's 20 millimeters, so that's 32 days old is this owlet. So it's like 4.5 weeks old. So yeah, just quickly weigh it.
Did you say 30?
32.
32.
390 grams is that. So you have to be really methodical when you're doing this rearing because it's so easy just to like misplace something. So yeah, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go up and I'm going to clean the box out because it's just a little bit too full. So but I've just cleaned this nest box out up there, and this is the amount of pellets that I've got out of that box. So that's why it's important to check these boxes every few years at least, just to make sure that they're not too full up with pellets, because it'll just reduce the space inside the box. And by the box being full of pellets, the owls are closer to the entrance hole, they'll be able to leave the entrance hole a lot sooner. So, you know, I just regularly clean out these boxes. It just keeps them owlets safer as well, creates more room for them to exercise their wings. So all the more reason for them to keep in that box that bit longer because it's nice and spacious. If you get a crammed box, they're going to want to start coming out that little bit sooner, maybe just before they can really look after themselves and they can get into some trouble. So yeah, it's pretty amazing that to think. I would like to guess how many voles are in here. Voles, mice, shrews. It'd be absolutely unbelievable. We're talking thousands. That is all just the undigested remains of the voles, its prey, all the fur. In there will be all these tiny bones and skulls. There's a skull there. But as a kid, I was always absolutely fascinated with these owl pellets. I remember there used to be a barn a couple of miles from where we live, and I just used to go nearly every day just to look at owl pellets and pull them apart. Just absolutely fantastic. Great stuff. Right, thank you.